Wet, yes, wet.
The race?
Yes. Do you want to go back in the bridge?
I need to later. I'm at the other.
What day is it today, my love?
Wednesday.
What is it?
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday, that's right. What have you got this afternoon? What have you got this afternoon?
Swimming school.
You're a very busy girl on Wednesdays, aren't you? And yeah, so Hannah's birthday on the 2nd. I think that's Saturday. Yeah. I think that's Saturday, my love. Or Sunday.
I sometimes I think that you're saying Georgina, but it's Hannah.
It's Hannah. From 11 to 1. So what do you think Hannah will like? Gonna get her a present. What does she play? Let's go.
I think she likes playing with makeup, fake makeup.
Oh really?
Yeah, so we can get her what I just got for my birthday. No, like something like for makeup or...
Yeah.
Remember the stuff that I get to Georgina?
Oh yeah.
The butterfly one, she can have those.
Yeah. Oh no, you're late. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's okay, sweetie girl. Good morning, guys. Milk all over the floor. What do you say to Mama?
Thank you, Mommy.
Sorry, Mama.
Sorry, Mama.
It's okay, Mama. We didn't mean it. Mama's gonna wipe it, okay?
Okay.
Just wipe there. Mama wipe it. It's okay, Mama will clean it up, okay?
Okay.
Be careful next time, please.
Ma, do you remember what? Okay. The place that we got Georgina's, that was Taiwan.
Was that Taiwan or did we go to Granite?
I think I was was actually,
Stay there, my love.
it was actually Taiwan.
Yeah.
So I saw that Taiwan.
Of course. Clinica, sit down please, not bad. It's about falling now.
Yeah, it's actually I'm having yoga and
Yeah.
Do you want
Marquise, we woke up early today. See?
Mama.
So have 10 minutes, so 15 minutes and we'll go, okay?
Daddy.
Dadu? Gosh!
Mama.
Yes, princess. I'm looking at your face. Your mustache. You get a white mustache. Mustache.
This one's so red. I'm calling the bring of sugar and tea.
Tingnan niyo guys, ang ating baby Celine sobrang cute ng kanyang suot. Mga damit ni Ate Paris ay nakita ko na sa baul. Pinasuot ko
My guy like this, and you hear it's already finished.
Oh, really? That's okay.
Daddy.
Have a look at the crocodile. Look at the alligator. Oh my goodness.
I like alligators.
Put something on. Oh yeah.
Guys, do you know what? There's one dinosaur that's still alive, and it was still alive a long time ago. It wasn't an alligator or a crocodile.
My gatekeeper. Are you keeping the gate open for us?
Oh, you.
So it's now 8:55. We dropped Ate Paris and then chika-chika pa kami doon ng isang mommy. So ngayon lang kami nakabalik sa sasakyan. And we are now driving towards Granite Hill Shops. Bibili tayo ng BP sa Chemist Warehouse. Alam niyo yung pang measure ng blood pressure? Ganun? Yes. Bibili tayo. Hopefully it's not too expensive, guys. The reason being is yung tita ko tsaka yung cousin ko, guys, si Anton, they are going to the Philippines tomorrow night. Exciting. And nung nagkita-kita kami the other night, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog actually. Isang araw. So he told me, sabi niya, uuwi daw sila. And if I have anything daw na padala ko for my family ba. So hindi naman ako magpapadala ng isang balikbayan box, obviously. So sa akin lang is yung mga maliliit na bagay lang ba. So I asked my mom the other night, sabi ko, Ma, what would you like from here? Kasi hindi ko pa napapadala yung balikbayan box ko eh. Hindi ko pa nga na-start. My goodness. And if ever mapadala ko naman yun, it will take a while, di ba? So ilang buwan pa bago makarating. So this one is instant, kumbaga. So sabi ng mama ko, yung pinadala ko raw last time na blood pressure, yung BP, ay natangay ng bagyong Odette. Goodness, Odette. Sabi niya, yun daw yung gusto niya. So ngayon, yun yung gagawin natin. Pupunta tayo doon para pumili ng BP. Sabi ko, hindi na lang natin ilagay yung box kasi baka lumaki pa. We'll just take it out the box para hindi siya malaki sa bagahe ng pinsan ko kasi nakakahiya naman, diba? So kanina, naghanap-hanap ako ng mga may bibigay ko sa sister ko. So yung mga jewelries, kasi mga jewelries maliliit eh. So pwede yan siyang So remember yung bag, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Remember yung bag na in-unbox natin, yung heart na white na Chanel, yung collaboration natin last time. Papadala ko siya sa sister ko, guys. I think my sister would love that. And then yung mga accessories, mga ganon, ilalagay ko sa loob ng box. So hindi siya malaki, di ba? And also yung, alam niyo tayo guys, kapag mami ka na, no? Kasi tinanong ko yung sister ko kung ano yung gusto niya. And sabi niya na pajamas daw ng anak niya. Alam niyo, it's so different now. Before, it's, this one, makeup or something like that. But ngayon, pajamas na ng anak niya. Iba na talaga kapag naging nanay ka na. Iba na yung naging priority mo, diba? Which, makes me happy kasi adulting na talaga siya. So, while nandoon tayo, are you okay, Lingling? Yung bang ka na? You have to cut your bangs again. Oh, it's poking your eyes again. So yeah, while nandun kami sa Canon Hill Shops, titingin na lang din ako sa Kmart. Hanap ako ng mga cute na pajamas for my pamangkin. And yeah, that's about it. Really guys, hindi na ako magpapadala ng marami kasi yun na nga, nakakaya naman magpadala ka ng ilang kilo, diba? Kmart tayo guys. Kasi ito yung pagkapasok mo, kita mo kaagad. Yes. We don't have points for that, my love. Yes. What is it?
Come here.
Gusto niya mermaid daw. Nakita niya pagkapasok namin. Okay, we'll go have a look. Come on. Tingnan niyo, precious. Pushing me. Tumingin kasi ako dito kaagad. Tingnan niyo, boys. Hindi ko nabilhan ng pajamas. Uy, panglakad na lang kasi ang pajamas is very, pa baby. Ito, one. Okay. This is cute. Okay, let's go. Which one?
Mermaid.
Where's mermaid? Oh, wow. That's a beautiful mermaid. Do you like that one?
Yeah, I shall.
Yeah? Okay. You want one? Grab it. Just maayo na kayo. Okay, just go. Okay. Oh, just one. Just one. Just one. See? You pick it up. Gusto na niyang isuot, guys. Sabi ko, we have to pay for it first, okay?
Yeah.
That's big one. See, that's size 4. This is size 2. This is your size. That's too big for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Show me. Wow. We have to pay for it first, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Wow.
Mermaid.
Tignan niyo, guys. Isuot pa nga siya ng mermaid eh. Iba talagang power ng mermaid. Okay, let's go have a look. Shirt and short for just. Come. This way. Do you want to carry this? This is yours. Carry it with you, okay? Up. Okay, maybe this one. This is nice. Actually, I like that one. Brown one. Hala, kuha pa gid siya isa. That's too big, my love. That's too big.
Yeah.
That's the size for you.
You.
Mm-hmm.
You.
Me?
Two.
I'm not gonna wear this. It's too small for mama.
I do.
Yeah, you can have that one. That's 2. Yeah, that's your. How old is Lini?
I do.
2. That's right. Yeah, that's why.
Right.
That's right. Okay, come here. Let's get something for just. Let's come on. I did good siya, guys. Come on.
Mermaid.
It's mermaid. It is. Cute naman ito, guys.
Mommy.
Tingnan nyo. Tapos parisan nito. No.
Mommy.
Yes, my love. What happened? Oopsie. It's okay. We can fix it. Or maybe this one. This is more. Ano?
No, dear.
That's yours.
Yeah.
I think I'll get the navy blue one lang. Short. Kasi this one, I think this is gonna look nice on this one. Yes. Look. Ah, okay. Sobrang ganda naman ito. He's gonna look so cute in this one. Come on, sweetie. Let's go. Good job. You get a change? Thank you, princess.
Please take your change. Notes are dispensed below.
Ito na mga napagdami. Thank you, Papa. Yeah. Oh, keep the receipt. Hold the receipt because we're gonna show it when we get out, okay? We got what we wanted. So, ito yung binili ko, guys. Ayan. So, cheaper version to siya nung andun. Merong omron doon, oh. Kaya lang $200, guys. Yayay. What is that?
I don't.
Oh, it's makeup. You don't need it, my love.
Okay.
Okay. You're beautiful. So, sabi nung pharmacist doon, it can do the same job.
Mama.
Mas cheaper lang siya kumpara doon.
Mama.
Yes, princess.
Okay.
Oh, what is that?
Okay.
Is that liquid eyeliner? Dito siya sa makeup section. Alam na rin niya yung makeup eh. So, ito siya. Mas maliit pa to siya kaysa doon sa isa, which is good. Kasi yun yung gusto natin, diba? Na hindi bulky. Okay, can we put it back, please? Can I please have an orange juice and a hamburger? Thank you. Nom 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 nom. How much?
Juice.
Juice.
Yeah.
Here's the money. Here's the money. Here you go. Thank you very much. The food is so yummy. Nummy nummy in the tummy. You wanna ride on it lang? Huh? Come on. Ah, no, it's broken, manak. See? It's off. It's not working. Come, let's go get at the terrace. Elsa bread. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Kumakain na si Inday ng kanyang cheese and bacon roll. Bumili din ako ng another one for Ate Paris later. It's her favorite. Elsa bread. Alam niyo ba guys, fun fact. Ito siya, tinawag naming Elsa bread. Kasi when Ate Paris was little, mahirap talaga siyang pakainin. Until now naman. But this one, the cheese and bacon, sinasabi naming Elsa bread para kumain siya kasi Elsa was her favorite. So hanggang ngayon, nadala namin kay Celine Elsa bread. She likes it too. Yummy! Bumili na rin ako ng chicken, I think spare ribs, I think. Tsaka ano. Masarap to siya lagyan ng crispy fries. So while nandito na kami, bumili na ako niyan. And yeah, that's about it. And I'm just gonna go grab my hot chocolate. And then we'll go home. What's the time na ba, nak? Do you like it, Baba? Sabihin mo na, hindi ba obvious, Mami? Obvious naman na tanong yan, eh. What do you say to Mama? And what do you say to Mama?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Enjoy! We're waiting for our coffee and on my hot chocolate and baby Celine's baby China. Can I have this one? Can I have that one? One each? It's very hard. One each? Mama help? Oh no, dropped it. It's okay. L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S
No, Mama.
V W-X-Y-Z. Ang palangga sa mga bata. Magnanap na to siya soon, guys. Now, how about we sing? I love you. Oh, okay. You love
Me.
We are happy family with a big great hug and kiss from me too.
You.
Won't you say you love me?
You.
Kiss the mama then. Kiss mama here. Here. You kiss mama here with sound. Nakakaon na mag-chocolate. Paakon, be. Paakon, be. Pakita ko sa inyo yung binili ko, guys. From the shops. Yan yung Elsa bread for Ate Paris later. Pag snacks niya. And this is for my mama. Ayan. We'll take it out from the box. Para maliit lang siya, guys. See? The same lang naman pala. Pero at least kung dito, maano siya. Ganyan lang siya, oh. Pwede yan siya gawin. Maybe mapasok ko sa loob ng bag. Manual. We'll see. And the chicken, we put it in the fridge. And well, nun kami guys, naka-sale kasi. Actually, I don't know if naka-sale itong mga ito. Pero ito yung bet ko ng mga eyebrow pencil. Yung mga matutulis ba. Para pag drawing ko ng aking kilay is very plakak na plakak. So, dalawa yung binili ko. One from Rimmel London and one from L'Oreal ba to lang? Yeah, L'Oreal, the other one. So, enough na. Enough na. You had enough na, okay? I'll give you some, be. I'll give you the small ones. Ay. Yeah. Because this is for the monster na, okay? At ito siya, isa lang talaga yung naiwan doon. Sabi ko, maganda yung kulay niya. Try ko nga. Rimmel London Blush Wild Card. Yung kanyang shade. There. Thank you lang. Tagap. And isa katindugan lang i-part sa akin kung umangkon guys because we can send a lot. So this is what I bought for baby JJ. And here's the pants.
And the mermaid.
Yup. Very
Mermaid.
cute.
Mermaid.
Organize natin yan mamaya para
Mermaid.
maliit. Ito rin minili ko for him. Socks, very cute. 7 packs. 7 pack. Yan siya. Diba? Ganda. Togi. And then, while nandun na, bumili na rin ako for baby Celine since lumalaki na siya. And lumalaki na yung mga sinusuot niya. Binilhan ko si baby Celine ng mga tops niya. Tingnan niyo. Very colorful. Floral. Another one. Love. Another one. Mermaid. Ito yung ano niya kanina. And then another one. Another floral. And this is in color yellow. And I think like yellow complements Celine's skin tone. Wah, okay. Gusto na niya hubarin. Oh, suot na niya yung mermaid. Uy, pakita yung panty.
Guys,
What is it?
I want a mermaid.
You want a mermaid? Exchange na? Oh my god, it's so messy here. Okay, baby, mama will do it. Actually, we'll do it in the bedroom para mapatulog ko na rin to siya, guys. Kasi kahapon, I had to wake her up kasi kailangan namin pick upin sa Ate Paris. Okay, go in the bedroom and we'll change it. Is this the one? Is this the one? Is this the one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Go, we'll go in the bedroom. Here, you bring it. You can't reach. Just wash your hands. Tingnan niyo, yung mata niya ay namamaga. Kasi iyak na siya na iyak. Here you go. And she's been a naughty girl. Dito na pala kami sa school niya. No more. No more. You only wash your hands. That's it.
Yeah.
Good girl. Alam niyo ba ang ginawa niya, guys? Kasi may hawak siyang packet of chips. Tapos, sabi ko, don't tip it, ha? Kasi messy na yung sasakyan ba? Very dirty na. Hala ka, ginanon man niya, guys. Gibo-bo niya, guys, sa likod sasakyanan. So now the car looks real messy. Got the chips everywhere. Kaya, sabi ko, Celine, what did I just say to you? Umiyak siya, guys. Kasi hindi naman niya ako nakikitang ginaganyan siya. I got upset man. Na-upset din siya. Hey, Lini girl, stay here, anak. Ate here. Iyak siya ng iyak. Suot na niya ang kanyang new top. Kasyang-kasya sa kanya. Kapink na naman si Inday. Alam niyo bang umulan kanina, guys? Grabe. For how many minutes? Tapos, lumabas na naman ang araw. Careful, please. Oops. Do you need Mama's help? Mama's hand? Tingnan nyo. Oh. Umiyak din siya ng umiyak. Mumulang ang kanyang ilong eh. Ganitong edad, guys, pag sinasabihan mo down, sa tingin nila yes. Da. Wala ka, nak. It's wet, manak. It's wet, see? You'll get your bum wet. I already got my bum wet. Have a look. Mukhang nakaihi ako, guys. Naupuan ko yung ano. I was trying to... Oh! You okay? Come here. This way. Pinapatahan ko siya. Naupuan ko. Tuloy yung tubig.
Wait.
Yung water bottle.
Wait.
It's wet. Yes. Wet.
Wait.
Yes. Do you wanna go back in the bridge?
I need to later. I'm gonna see how
Yeah, we can't do the slide because it's wet. See, water.
Wait.
Can you say wet?
Oh.
Wet. Do you wanna come to mama instead?
Okay, mommy.
Basa yung lubot anak nak. Ling.
I don't move. Mommy.
Okay, come to mama na lang.
Oh.
Come to mama na lang. Jump to mama. Ready? Steady. Oh, ako yung ampak. You silly girl. Baby girl has been very naughty. You been naughty?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's very proud of Pajud. Oh. Nak, when mama say no, nak, no, okay? Huh? Hindi makasabaan.
Raining, so we had to stop. So I had to leave it there.
Did you eat your lunch?
There's only one last mandarin to eat.
That's alright now. What's wrong, sweetie girl? Okay, put seatbelt on, anak. So we can go.
Can you get something for me from the bakery?
Look what she's doing.
What?
Dito na kami sa harapan ng swimming school ni Ate Paris. Ate, I think you got the thing
What?
the other way around. Your shorts, be? Ay, shush! Siya lang kasi yung nagsuot eh. Ah, that's fine, anak eh. No one will notice. Nilinis namin yung sasakyan, guys. Actually, inside lang. Hindi na nalinis yung loob. Kasi si Baby Celine ay sobrang iyak niya. Vacuum ba? Very loud. They don't like the sound. So, hindi na namin na-clean yung labas, yung loob lang. And, while naglinis ako, sabi ko, magbihis ka anak ko. Siya yung nagbihis, oh. 5 o'clock, guys. Kakatapos lang namin sa swimming school natin Paris. Hindi na siya nakapaglaro with her friends after the swimming kasi it's going to rain. Like, I can see the storm is coming. So it's gonna rain soon. Nang, nang. So, diretso na kami dito sa sasakyan before pa kami mabasa.
Can we go to the bakery? I'm hungry.
Oh, I'm gonna go home. We're not gonna go to the bakery. It's already night time. Nini, there you are again! Can you go sit now? Come on. Yeah, otherwise, they gotta, you know that sound? Like that. It's gonna come back. The vacuum. Do you want to do the vacuum again? There you go, sit down. Nakapark lang namin, guys. Bahay na agad kami. Sobrang bilis lang. 2 minutes lang yata yung drive. How was your swimming?
Good.
Good?
Good, thank you.
That's good. So, dapat sana, diba, pupunta kami sa bahay ng tita ko para i-drop yung papadala ko sa Pinas to my family. But, plans has changed. Instead of tonight, since bukas pa naman ng gabi yung flight nila, sabi ko, I can go drop it tomorrow afternoon after school pick up ni Ate Paris. Kasi, their family is having like, probably, you know, like, going away, dinner, get together. So, wala sila sa bahay nila. Sabi ko bukas na lang before sila lipad.
Are we see Nella Christine tonight?
Tomorrow.
Why? Did we not do it last time?
Yeah, because they're having dinner tonight. Anyways, naalala ko guys, kasi, di ba, ilang beses ko na bang na-mention, we're not sending anything big kasi nakakaya naman. Wala silang space sa kanilang bagahe. And sabi ko, ano pa kayang pwede kong maipadala? So I realized, guys, meron pa pala akong mga Filipino money dito, guys. We'll send this to Lola lang. Ito yung mga, yung pera namin na dala namin from the Philippines nung umuwi kami. So, alam nyo ba, yung mga tigwa 100 nito, hindi ko na alam na asa napunta kasi pinaglaruan ni Ate Paris. But, this is still money. My mom, my sister can still use it there. Tingnan nyo, 500. And, current pa naman siguro to.
Like see the money?
1,000. 100. Help ate lang, baby Celine lang. 50. May 100. May nakita ko 100 doon sa taas. Another, 50, 50. So, yung gagawin ko, ilalagay ko lang to siya sa bag kasi papadalhan ko yung sister ko ng bag. So, isusuksok ko lang itong mga, papel doon. Then, they can, buy something, snacks. Pagdating doon. Magkano ba to, be? 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, merong ano din. Ah, 2,000. Diba? Sige ba mag-ano ngayon ng 2,000?
I wish I had.
Kasi hindi naman ito magagamit dito. Tapos, hindi namin alam kung kailan kami makakabalik ng Pinas ulit, diba? So, buti, ko na lang, buti naalala ko ba? Hindi ko ito naalala, ilalagay ko din naman ito siya sa box pag nagpadala ko ng balik-balik.
Yeah, go.
Backpads ka. So, yan na, wala na tayong ipapadala. Hindi pa naman masyadong makapal ang mukha natin. Kakao. You've been at Sukilala this afternoon, honey. Yeah. Okay. Where's Lula?
No.
Where's Lula?
Okay.
Yeah. Gusto pa natin para sumunta ng hindi ko na yung English eh. Basta kung saan may mga pan. Pandesal. Sabi ko, wag na. Kasi alam nyo ba, sobrang
Mama.
messy ng bahay. Gusto kong umuwi ka agad maglinis.
Mommy!
Yes.
Carrot.
Yeah. Ayan. Akit na kami. Let's go na, anak. Where's your bag? Oh, there. Turn it off!
No.
No! Ano ba dinner natin tonight na? Okay, ako yung nai-excite para sa kanila. Ay, kauwi ng Pinas. Ay, hindi pa namin alam kailan tayo makakauwi ng Pinas nito. Ready na ako ng mga kain ng mga kids, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ipapadala ko bukas sa aking tita tsaka sa pinsan ko. So, ito yung bag na ibibigay ko sa sister ko, guys. Oh, diba? Nakita niyo itong unboxing ko nito with Paris. And I like it. But I think she's gonna like it more. Ayan. It's gonna look cute on her. So, yan yung ibibigay ko sa kanya. So, nagamit ko to siya, I think, twice. So, it's practically new. So, yung gagawin ko, guys, para hindi siya marami tingnan bukas pag pinadala ko siya, ay papadala ko yung kanyang dust bag. And then, inside, ilalagay ko rin itong... Yes, my love?
Can I get my lunchbox?
Lunchbox? Here's your bags there. Look, on top of the couch. So, ibibigay ko rin to sa mama ko, or sa sister ko, or sa brother ko. Ayan, sila na ang bahala. So, ayan yung box. And inside, yung laman ng box na ito ay itong silver na Swarovski talaga. Meron pa siyang mga certificate and everything. Choo-choo. Binili ko to from Japan. Hindi ko naman siya ginamit. Benta ko sana. Hirap naman benta eh. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang cute niya. Meron siyang pa-heart, my cross, and another cross here, and you. Ano ba to? Heart. Basta ganyan siya. Meron siyang mga pabato-bato, which is really nice. Ayan. Super shining, shimmering, splendid. And then, lagay ko na rin to. I think ito na lang yun sa aking,
I'll show you.
youngest namin na lalaki. Pwede namang lalaki magsuot nito. Kasi malaki yung kanyang rope chain. And meron din siyang pabato-bato. This is also Swarovski. Hindi siya mag-focus, guys. Anyways, ilalagay ko siya dito. Isahan na lang. O, diba? Tapos, itong pinakita ko kanina, yes. Ah, where did you get that from?
I found it.
Pinakita ko kanina na binili ko from the shop. Short, tapos top. Maliit, manipis naman siya, tapos maliit pa. Ano ko na lang. fold for more. Wait. And then just this. Maliit lang, diba? Kasya ba to sa, bag? Kasya pa. Tapos yung mga socks, ay, hindi na ata itong magkasya. Hindi na siya magkasya sa bag. I-ano ko na lang yan siya sa plastic. So, yung sa bag, ayan. Tapos, yung pinakita ko kaninang cash, ayan. Wow, bongga, maraming pera. Dito ko ilalagay sa bag na to. Nakita pa akong 100 dyan. I'm pretty sure meron pang 100 somewhere, but hindi ko na alam kung nasaan na. So, ganyan. Ilagay dito. Tapos ilagay ko rin to siya sa bag. Eh, may pressure pa pala to. Hindi natin, tag. Magbigay nga, maglagay pa ng price tag. Para hindi masyadong marami tingnan ba yung pinadala. Sus, kung pwede palang magpadala ng sus, dapat talaga sana, but it's okay. It's okay. Alright. So, ayan na siya, guys. Diretso na ko siya bukas. Stop. And then, ito lang, yung BP ng mama ko. Picturean ko nga ito, isend ko sa pinsan ko. Sabi ko, isend ko sa iyo, Anton, kung ano yung papadala ko. Para alam nila kung gaano kadami.